So this is our first attempt. We're going to try this. We have the brand new to us STV CNC. It's a welded table. It's 5x10, and we're going to do our first attempt at cutting something. We're going to engrave it, then cut it out. We're just trying on a piece of 3/4 inch MDF because we have no idea. We don't have the dust collection set up. We're not even going to try to vacuum it. We're just going to try to cut it. So in case of emergency, we got a couple stop buttons to push. So here comes our first attempt. Double-sided tape, so I don't know how well it can hold it down. We tried a piece of maple and it slightly warped, so what happened was it moved before we even clamped it down. So that was just the first pass of engraving. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. So now we're going to set up for the second pass of engraving, and at some point we're going to have to change the bit. So December 2025. Very first attempt. What a learning curve, what a challenge. That's what it is, yeah. Quarter-inch collet. First bit we had in there was this one. From the anyways, from some of the woods, I think. This is the V-carve. Our tool for doing that in there, and then what you do is you hover over this and then you bring the router bit down to like 1 inch above it, and then you push, I guess they call this a tool center, so this is going to be 1 inch above, so it's roughly that. So now I push the button and it should slowly go down and sense, and it's telling the distance from the cutter to the material. That didn't work. I mean, it was good, but I'm just going to vacuum real quick. So this is a 1/4 inch straight upcut bit. We'll have to see what it does in hardwoods if it leaves chipping on the top. Hopefully this is the last pass. We'll see. Last pass. Okay. Get the router turned off this time. part out, wants to tell me what to do. It's just pushing the stop on the monitor, but it's not working. So we're pushing the emergency stop to stop the bit. Okay, that's not the case. So over time. I think what's cool about this is, again, repeatable. Once you figure out how we're going to hold the pieces down, once you figure out vacuum, and just be able to do this all day long. And you find that special thing you're going to make that hopefully people want to buy. Right now it's just for personal use. Just hang this on the wall. We don't even know if it cut through yet. So. Wow, I don't even know that it cut through it.
Tell me where's my ends when I do it. I remember you said you
Well, this would.
didn't cut through.